Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on Nubia Red Magic 7. So in order to do this, first let's open the RAR app. We've shown you how to get that in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to unpack, and in my case it's DCIM and then camera. Here's the camera.rar, so let's click on it. Now we'll get the access to the 3 files, so we can either select all of them or simply click on this arrow pointing up. Here, if you just want to unpack it without any complication, go for the browse, choose the destination where to unpack the files, and in this case it's gonna be movies. You can change any of the settings, and when everything is done, click on OK. Now this archive is protected by a password, so let's enter it. Click OK to save that, and that way we'll unpack 3 of the files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.